5 important eye care tips for people who wear spectacles. Wear your glasses round the clock. Some people are careless about wearing spectacles either, usually because they think it doesn't suit their face or is unfashionable, or they are afraid of people teasing them, or their spectacles are uncomfortable, or they just off by it. However, such carelessness can weaken the eyes further. While awake, please wear your spectacles at all times to ensure proper eye care and keep your vision in check. Keep your spectacle lenses clean. Dusty, speckled or blurry glasses can disturb your vision and even give you a headache. Use lens cleaning solution and a soft cloth to wipe off smudges and dust from your spectacle lenses. Clean and clear lenses will ensure you have unrestricted vision. Never wear uncomfortable eyewear. Uncomfortable eyewear can cause stress and mild headaches. Make sure your glasses are light and fit you well. Wearing heavy, loose, unsteady or ill-fitted spectacles may worsen your vision. Wear spectacles that provide UV protection. UV rays from the sun are harmful for the eyes and the skin surrounding it. If you spend prolonged hours in the sun, make sure your spectacles are equipped with 100% UV filtration. Use impact-resistant polycarbonate lenses, especially for children. Impact-resistant lenses do not break or shatter under normal circumstances and are therefore a safer alternative to regular lenses. Lens shattering may cause severe eye injuries if shards of glass enter into the eye. It is therefore advisable to use impact-resistant lenses, especially to ensure eye care and safety of young children who are more prone to injuries and accidents. Kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.